Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a pack with me video because I'm going to Seville and Paris this weekend. I will be doing two separate travel vlogs, I think one for Seville, one for Paris. So if you don't want to miss those, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. But yeah, so I'm going to be gone for about a week total, so not too long. I do have like a medium-sized suitcase, so hopefully I'm able to fit everything. I normally don't travel in the winter time. I usually travel more in like the springtime or the summertime, so the clothes are a little bit smaller. I do like to switch my outfits like constantly, so and I also want to have room to like shop, obviously, so we'll see kind of how that goes. In case you're wondering about my outfit of the day, I'm wearing this like jacket sweater type thing from Shein. I'll link it down below. It's so cute. It has these like really pretty little buttons. And then for pants, I'm just wearing these really casual pants from Pull & Bear, and this is the suitcase that I'm gonna be bringing, which actually matches my outfit perfectly today. So this is what it looks like. It's a medium-sized suitcase, so yeah. So I don't have any actual outfits that I have like picked out already. I do have some pieces in mind, so like I have this skirt that I got in my vintage shopping with me video. I'll link it down below. So that one I really wanted to bring just because it's like really cute. But yeah, that's pretty much the extent of what I'm thinking. I also have another dress. Let me get it. There's this one that has more of like a circle type print. I might bring this one actually. So those are two things that I'm thinking of bringing. I'm just debating between two turtlenecks. So I like this one just because it's gray and it'll match with like the black tights. I think that would look really cute. I also have this kind of more taupey color, which would look nice as well. If you're traveling or spending a lot of time outside in the winter time, I definitely recommend a thermal. This one is from Uniqlo and it's part of like their heat tech line or whatever, and it'll keep you so warm. Like even if you're wearing like a form-fitting or like a nice fitting turtleneck or top or something, this will just go in like so seamlessly. Or if you have like a jacket that doesn't have that much room, it's like a nice way to layer without having like a chunky knit sweater. Honestly, like my biggest issue is just bringing coats because I don't want to take up that much room in my suitcase, so I'm trying to be very effective on the things that I bring. I feel like I'm just like rambling a lot in the beginning of this video, so let me just pick some outfits and I'll show them to you in a second. So this is one outfit that I'm thinking. So I have these little shoes that look like that with this plaid skirt that has like pleats at the back, and then the gray turtleneck. I don't know if I'm crazy about the gray turtleneck. Like I almost wish it was like a lighter color like this one. So this is like one option for a coat, this red one with the matching little red beret, and I feel like this looks like that photo of Patty Boyd with George Harrison. I mean, I can definitely layer another sweater underneath this if I really wanted to, and I can also add like a scarf and like all that stuff too. I decided to change for a cream turtleneck instead. I think it looks a lot cuter. Still kind of look like I'm going to school, seeing as this is somebody's old school uniform, but like it's cool. Oh, my fingers look so awkward doing that. So I'm taking a bit of a coffee break. I usually have coffee around like 3:30-ish. Anyway, so I'm trying to like pick my outfits, and there's so many things that I want to bring, but like I have a combination of like dark, wintery, fall-y kind of colors, and then some spring colors like this blazer, and I'm like, that's not gonna look that cute on my Instagram feed, like all like right after each other. Let me move this because the lighting is not cute. I'm like, is it really that deep though? Like, is it gonna be that noticeable? Like, do people actually go on Instagram feeds and see if the colors all work that well together, or do you just look at them on your actual like timeline? I don't know. I'm still kind of debating like back and forth what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I have this outfit that I really like. It has these like knee-high tights, and again these same little black shoes, which I feel like I'm gonna end up wearing for like every outfit. So it looks like this. I think this is really cute. I'd probably tie my hair up in a more like 60s style like that. Anyway, so I could wear it with this coat like in the morning if I really needed to, and then like drop it off back at the hotel or something if I don't want to be like too warm. This is turning into a disaster. I might need more coffee. Oh my god, guys. How cute is this? I love this. I'm debating if I should switch the coat that I'm bringing to this red one, not with these pants, but I just think it's like so cute, and I just shot that burgundy one for Valentine's Day, so I thought it would be nice to kind of switch it up for this red one, but I don't think I can fit as many layers underneath this as I can with the other one, at least not like comfortably, so I don't think that's the best idea. I do really want to bring this plaid blazer. It's so cute and I really want to wear it, but I haven't really like decided on the outfits yet. Okay, this is the blazer I'm talking about, and it's so cute. It actually kills me how cute this is. This with like the black little mini skirt with the black tights. I think that would just look really, really cute. I'd probably tie my hair up with something in my hair like this maybe, or like half up, half down type situation. I might just like throw it in my suitcase because like the rest of the outfit's pretty much already in there. My current situation is that I have one pair of shoes that I'm bringing that literally match all of my outfits, and one purse, which I have no issue on. Like I did get it and I was a little unsure about it, but it honestly works with all my outfits, so I'm not concerned. My only thing is it wise to only bring one pair of shoes? I mean, they're really comfortable, but like I would be saving like so much room in my suitcase, and I can buy more things or like bulkier things. Like if I find like a coat or something, I'll have the room for it. So that's my only thought. My head is killing me with that ponytail. Okay, so I realized that before I run out of light, I should probably choose an airport outfit. So I considered wearing these same pants that I'm wearing right now, but then I'm like, if I'm only bringing one pair of shoes, like this does not look cute at all. This is like really lame. Yeah, I can't wear that. That looks ridiculous. I'll probably end up wearing something like this polka dot dress. Since I already changed and I have the tights on, let me show you the two outfits that I'm in between. I have this one that has this really cute blazer that I keep talking about with the black tights and the little shoes. I'd probably wear this with like a little ribbon tied in my hair or something. Very like schoolgirl 80s vibe, I guess. This is the second outfit that I'm in between. It's really, really cute. It has the overalls and the like maroon kind of tights. This is a little bit more 1960s, I feel, which is why I like it. But the other one, the blazer, is just like so cool that like, I don't know. Decided to make an Instagram poll. So I look so pale right now, oh my god. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it and found it like somewhat interesting. I always find it really interesting to see the process of how people pick their outfits and stuff. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, if you want to see the travel diaries that I'm going to be filming, and follow me on Instagram, you know, self-promo. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!